Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be playing some Roblox. We're going to be playing Nuke. Sounds really fun. I've already started on it, but just to see if I like it, do a starter on this. This is currently what I've done. Not that good, but it gives me money. I have $393,000. What can I buy with that? Okay, so first, I know what I'm gonna buy. I need 1.5 million. This stuff's expensive. So I have one of these. I don't have this. Maybe we can get. Oh, good. Well, boom. Buy another one. We're straight into this, guys. Go and put it well. Give me that money. Okay, now we need a generator. Let's see the cancel. Let's cheap the money. Oh yeah. Oh, now we're getting money quick though. So if we go to this, what's the most expensive here? I need a rebirth 14 for this. Buy another one. The music's really loud. That's really loud. Don't know if you can hear this, but if I put my mic close to it, that's what I hear. Sorry if that was like hurting your ears really bad. It's just my music is loud. Boom. I'm actually getting money pretty fast. Come on, I just want to place it. Ah, just want to place it. I like how it's all green. It's my favorite color. So now we have 10k. This is generated us a bunch of good money. Money, moolah. It says Sunny Access. Okay, now let's build. Ow! That hurt. What are these? That's most expensive. I got extra regress. 75! Jeez! It's expensive too. I'm shocked. Nah, crazy, man. That is too crazy. I need 1 million for that. Oh, someone's here. I see someone. You get out of here. Get out of here, boy. Get out of here. But yeah, that's what you should do. Fall off the edge like a dumb person. I'm just kidding, you're not dumb. But I need to get to 6k, no, 7k to buy this whole thing again, which I probably will. I just need to get to 6k, which will take kind of a while. Okay, guys, I got 7k. So, let's buy this stuff. Boom, boom, boom. 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 Perfecto. Progress has been solved. So, 70k. Okay, so now we have enough. Oh, it's only 50k. I have a present. Ooh! Open. What do I get? $1.7 million? Who's shooting me? I bet it's him. Came to me last time. So like, wait, he's getting me so far away. Huh. But now we should be generating money super quick. Oh, at 2.1 million. Yeah, bro. Like, you're out doing it, bro. Well, that's not supposed to be there. Okay, we'll place that there. I need a mill there. Just thinking forever. I need 2 million. That's not a joke. Bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum. I'm gonna go kill this guy. Bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum. Do, do, do. The music in this game. He sees that I'm coming. He sees I'm coming. Oh, bro, you're gonna be dead. You don't have a gun, huh? 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 Gun, huh? Oh, yes, he does. This is a fight. It's a fight. He's like, oh, he's good. Okay, he got me. He's like, no, you do not get to me. Oh, yeah, really? Because, like, I'm about to get to you. Like, your health is, like, really close to dying. Like, because I just got you. Yeah. Pull it out, pull it out, pull it out. And shoot him! Oh, spawn protection sucks. Oh, I got him. I'll get him. I'll get him, I'll get him. Oh, no, he's good, he's good, he's good. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, who's gonna win? Oh, ow. The boss is here. He's probably almost giving up. Oh, his spawn protection sucks, bro. Spawn protection sucks. I have no spawn protection. Oh, no. If he does that, he's gonna kill me. I'm probably gonna win again. I'll just reset my character when I kill him. Like, straight away as I kill him, I need to reset my character. So he's like, where did he go? Come on. Come on, I'm clicking my mouse. I was about to die of clicks. Come on. Come on. Okay, got him. Reset character. Reset character. See, he's gone out. These guys gonna like, I'm ready to shoot you. But certainly, I am not here. I have a running nose. What's this? Ooh, I only have 5 Robux. Yeah, I spent it all. I'm kidding, I didn't spend it all. I still have 5. I have 70. Okay. Probably going well. How's your guys going, guys? Mine's going pretty good so far. Sorry. Yeah, it's been going pretty good. I mean, if I think about it, it's actually, I forgot what I was gonna say. Why did I forget what I was gonna say? I always do that. Yeah, man. Oh, money. I would rather get the, thirsty. Save the game. Rebirth. Oh, you have to it costs Robux to rebirth. What did I just do? Eh, he got money. We get money, money. Oh, now he's here. He's like, revenge, man. Revenge, he's back. I'm gonna get him, I'm gonna get him, I'm gonna get him. What's he gonna do when I just reset my character? Watch. He has low health. Now I have spawn protection. I see you. Don't think I don't see you. Size spawn protection. So it makes me win. He's like, no, I'm gonna be killed. I'm gonna go all the way back to my base. No. He's like, no. Butch, you're gonna get killed. He just sucks. He just absolutely sucks. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Yet make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notifications to figure out when I post videos. Because I post videos every single day. Sorry it was kind of a short video. And by the way, you don't suck at it. You're actually pretty good. Kill me a couple times. But I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye.